What up guys, Miguel here, Tech, and if you haven't guessed it, we're doing a power bank haul brought to you by Pineng. So the first two power banks we're checking out from the blue team are the PN981 over here and the 982 behind it. So we have a 10,000 mAh capacity right over here and a 20,000 one right here. Obviously, you can see the difference in thickness right there, and you get two colors for each capacity. You have a white and gray one for the 10 and a black and red one for the 20. The thing with Pineng and their power banks is they like to keep their power banks uniform in a way by utilizing this carbon fiber pattern on all their power banks. So that's going to be a common theme going on for every power bank we're checking out today. So I'm gonna say it right now, all these power banks come with a cable included in the box. That's a micro USB cable for everything, and depending on which power bank you get, you'll either get a flat cable, which keeps your cable from tangling, and a regular round cable over here. What makes the 981 and 982 special are their power indicators. They're not actual LED power indicators at all. They're actually, as you can see here with this one, levels from left to right, going as low as 25 up to 100 at the rightmost portion of the... Oh, and by the way, I might have been pronouncing Pineng wrong. It's actually pronounced Pineng. Brought to you by their website. Thank you, Ira. So you get one input for charging on these power banks. It's a 5-volt input, that's micro USB, and two outputs. They both output 5 volts at 2.1 amps, and that's all it is. You don't get any quick charge capabilities on this power bank, but what's special about it is you get an intelligent voltage recognition chip, so it won't be overcharging any of your devices. So the Pineng 981 will set you guys back 499 pesos, while the Pineng 982 will set you guys back 899 pesos. Alright, next up we have the Pineng 956 and 959. That's what we have over here. This is the 10,000 mAh capacity, and this is the 20,000. What's great about these power banks is you get a combo cable over here, micro USB and Type-C on the right, and a lightning on the left. So the Pineng 956 and the 959 have slight differences when it comes to the designing of their ports and their battery indicators. The 956 has its here on this round button, and that's what it looks like. The indicator is on the rim of the circle, while on the 956 you have it in line with the ports, but the indicator is also at the top. So the Pineng 956 will set you guys back 699 pesos. So if you're interested in a 10,000 mAh power bank that gives you all the cables you'll need, get this guy. But if you were thinking of going up the ladder to a 20,000 mAh power bank, we have, again, the Pineng 959 at 899 pesos. Next up, we have a 20,000 mAh capacity power bank from Pineng. It's the Pineng 969. This is in the white color, and you can also get it in a black one. What's great about these power banks, first of all, is, again, they're of the 20,000 mAh capacity, and we get LED battery percentage indicators on the power bank. There we go, there we go, there they are. For ports on the 969, we get a micro USB input for charging. That's a 5-volt 2-amp input. And you also get one 5-volt 2.1 amp output over on the right side. And this one is a 5-volt 1-amp output. So that's it for the Pineng 969. If you guys are interested in these guys in whichever color, it will set you back 888 pesos. Alright, so next up we have the Pineng 936 and 939. That's these guys over here. Again, the white one, or the one in front, is of the 10,000 mAh capacity, while this one is of the 20,000 mAh capacity. What's awesome about these power banks is you get a micro USB in, a Type-C in, and two outputs over here. You get a battery indicator right up front for both these guys. So that's what they look like right here. So the Pineng 936 will set you guys back 399 pesos, while the 939 will set you guys back 739 pesos. Next, we're checking out the Pineng 985. That's this guy on my left over here. In terms of form factor, this is the smallest power bank within this whole product stack, and it's of the 10,000 milliamp hour capacity. What's awesome about this guy is you get a USB Type-C input, a micro USB input, so either works to charge this power bank up, but you do get two USB Type-A outputs for whatever cable. You get a power indicator here on the right side of the power bank, and then indicates wherein the ports are. This Type-C input also works as an output, so power delivery is available on this power bank, wherein for the two USB-As, it's a 5V 2 amp output. Pineng decided to, well, birth a cousin for the 985. It's the Pineng 986 here on my right. So this particular one is in the white color, so it's easier to differentiate between the 985. What is the difference, Miguel? As you can see, these ports on the 986 are yellow accented. That's because these two USB Type-A ports support quick charge technology. The non-quick charge variant will set you guys back, again, that's the 985. It will set you guys back 459 pesos, while its cousin, the 986, will set you guys back 599 pesos. So next up, we have the Pineng 957. It's the last one on my left. So this is what it looks like in its black and red color, and this is what it looks like in its white and green color. As you can see, you get a USB Type-A cable here, and you get a Type-C cable as well. And your Apple Lightning products. This is an amazing power bank. It kind of looks like a person too. Like if I was the head, you have the legs over here. Hey, what's the charge? Is what this power bank is saying. Hey guys, it's me. The Pineng 957 will set you guys back 599 pesos. Next, we have the Pineng 961. Here we go. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, and you get an LED digital indicator for the the amount of battery you have left in your power bank. What's interesting about the 961 is you have a Type-C input to charge this guy up. You also have a micro USB input to charge it up, as well as another Type-C input to charge it up. So you get two Type-C ports on this guy. You get a 18-watt quick charge port right here for Type-A. But let's say 10,000 milliamp hours just isn't cutting it for you. Maybe you want a little bit more juice. That's why you go for the PN962 20,000 milliamp hour power bank right here. So the biggest difference between the 961 and the 962, aside from the capacity of course, is you get an extra Type-A port on the 962. An extra, not an extra quick charge one unfortunately, but an extra 5V 2.4 amp Type-A port. So the Pineng 961 will set you guys back 799 pesos, while the Pineng Big Boy 962 will set you guys back 1,089 pesos. The 962 is the most expensive power bank in this haul. Before I forget, we still have one extra power bank. We have the Pineng 888. What's awesome about this guy is you get the included micro USB, which can be taken off. You have a normal Type-A port there as well. But it's not over yet. You also have a Type-C port here that is power delivery input and output. And you also get a LED indicator right there. You get some RGB going on the side. If you haven't noticed, it's also a Qi wireless charger. So you double tap that and you see the light, and now the Qi wireless charging is on. And it works. But what about us iPhone users, you might be thinking? It doesn't end there, friend. It doesn't end there. You get a lightning adapter, micro USB to lightning adapter in this guy, hidden in its little compartment here. So you could just as easily slap it on like that. The Pineng 888 will cost you guys 899 pesos. My top three picks are the 956, the 888, and the 957. Now, well, this is the Pineng power banks. If there's any of these power banks that you guys want, let us know in the comment section below, because we are doing a giveaway! And here are the mechanics. Let us know in the comment section below which one of these power banks are your favorite. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, be sure to hit that bell icon. Like our Facebook page at facebook.com/yugatech. Also, links will be in the description box. And send us a private message, slide into our DMs a little bit of a screenshot that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and of your comment, because your comment is the entry for this giveaway. And the last thing, but not the least, is do not spam our inbox. If you do spam our inbox, you are automatically disqualified from this giveaway. Only one comment per participant is what we're looking for. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, you guys know what to do. Be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.